All right, the drink we're about to make is called Association Special. And we're going to start off with a martini glass filled with ice and water. We'll let that sit while we're making our drink. It'll get it nice and chilled by the time we're done. Okay, measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. There's 1.5. Follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. And a dash of bitters. And grab our shaker. Give it a good shake. Make sure you get it very cold since we're serving it up with no ice. That's good enough. Now dump out your ice water. And get your strainer and pour it in. Perfect. That is the Association Special. Bottoms up.